Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can find certain CapCut templates. So you are just going to hit the templates button here, and if you want to search for the template, you're just going to select that bit here, and you want to find a template for something like best friends. So you're just going to type in best friend template, for instance, and it's going to show up some templates, and you're just going to select it. You can also find like the duration of it as well. So for instance, like this 30 seconds to 1 minute, and clips you will only need like 3 to 5. Press confirm on the clips, and also the duration as well. I forgot to do that, but it will show it according to the kind of, I don't know, setting that you did. So yeah, that is it. That's how you can find certain CapCut templates. You're just going to select it and press use template. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!